In this video, we will be showing you how to replace your engine air filter on your Audi Q5, located in the engine compartment. To remove the air filter, we will need to disconnect the air hose from it. On this variant, we will be using a flathead screwdriver to unscrew it. Set that to the side. With a T30 and an extension, we can now get to all the screws on the airbox. Lift it up, set it to the side. Now we could just grab the air filter, toss it out. Now we're going to inspect the area. If there's any debris inside of it, we can clean it out. In this case, we do not. Now we can install our new air filter. When putting it in, you want to always make sure that the fins are going inside the air box and that you have the lip fully secured inside the air box. Now you want to put the top lid back on. Now let's tighten our screws. Now let's reinstall the air hose. Remember to tighten the air hose down with your flathead screwdriver. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.